Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, working as guest teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nongau, Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. Students, as we know, coronavirus or COVID-19 is worldwide problem. All schools, colleges, universities, and institutions are shut down, and we are sitting in our homes. So we have decided to teach you like this. Today I am going to teach you very basic pronoun, case, and usage of is, comma, am, comma, are. Pro plus noun is equal to pronoun. First person pronoun I, comma, we. Second person pronoun you. BBC pronunciation is you. Second person pronoun you. Third person pronoun he, comma, she, comma, it, comma, they. First person pronoun I is singular. We is plural. Second person pronoun you is used for both singular number and plural number. Third person pronoun he is used for masculine gender, but it is plural, singular. She is used for feminine gender, it is singular. It is used for singular number. They is used for plural. Case. We have to make 4 column. If you have copy, write down in 4 column. Subjective case or nominative case. Second, objective case. Third, possessive case. Fourth, reflexive pronoun. I, me, my, comma, mine, myself. We, us, our, comma, ours, ourselves. You, your, comma, yours, comma, yourself, comma, yourselves. He, him, his, himself. She, her, comma, hers, herself. It, its, itself. They, them, their, theirs, themselves, and their selves. Now, subject, affirmative sentences, subject plus is, comma, am, comma, are plus complement. I plus am plus complement. We, comma, you, comma, they, comma, plural subject plus are plus complement. He, comma, she, comma, it, comma, singular subject plus is plus complement. And at the end, full stop is used. It is mark of punctuation. Example is Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Chhattisgarh is a new state. Honesty is the best policy. Health is wealth. We are friends. You are intelligent. She is lady doctor. He is good teacher. It is an owl. Number 2, negative sentences. In negative sentences, not is used after the helping verb. There are 2 structures, long form and short form. Is plus not isn't. Am plus not amn't. Are plus not aren't. So structure is subject plus is, isn't, amn't, aren't plus complement plus full stop. He is not intelligent. We are not laborers. It is not an elephant. These books are not good. Third one, interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, generally helping verb is used. First, if there is question word, when, why, where, which, what, how much, how many, then they are used first. Who is used for person, which is used for things, why is used for reason, how much is used for quantity, how many is used for number, and so on. Structure is question word plus is MR plus subject plus complement plus question mark. In interrogative sentences, question mark must be used. Fourth, interrogative negative sentences. Structure is question word plus is MR plus subject plus not plus complement plus question mark. In interrogative sentences, not is used after the subject. It is point to be remembered. In this way, today I have taught you firstly categories of pronoun, secondly case, and thirdly usage of is, am, are, and four types of sentences: affirmative sentence, comma, interrogative sentence, comma, negative sentences, comma, interrogative and negative sentences. If you have any problem in understanding my teaching, you can send me message on mobile phone or you can contact on phone also. Tomorrow I will teach you present indefinite tense. Thanks.